Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. This is Bharat, and today I have the Urban 18 watt power banks. These are one of the best power banks for your OnePlus devices and other devices as well. So let's check this out. The Urban Power Bank basically comes in two different variants, multiple colors and options of battery sizes as well. Basically the 20,000 mAh costs 1099 and the 10,000 mAh variant costs 699 rupees and comes in two different design variants. One is a carbon fiber plastic finish which comes in two colors of black and white in both sizes, and then a metallic finish which comes in two colors of green and black in both sizes too. I personally like the metallic finish, which is solid, but the carbon fiber is pretty good and also has the premium feel to it. So let's take a look at the packaging first. This comes in a simple thin cardboard box for all variants. It's similar. It has the specs and some details on the front and back, and inside you have the power banks and also a short Type-C to USB charging cable, and an instruction manual and a warranty card is available too. This comes with a 12-month warranty as well. So these are all made in India power banks. The carbon fiber make which is 20,000 mAh weighs 406 grams and the 10,000 mAh weighs 221 grams. The metallic finish 20,000 mAh weighs 450 grams and the 10,000 mAh weighs 259 grams. Now let's look at the ports. All the power banks have two full-sized USB ports for output power, one micro USB port for charging the battery and one Type-C port for dual input, charging the power bank as well as output for charging other devices, and provides 18 watt fast charge both the sides. On the metallic finish, the LED and the buttons come on the top of the power bank. The buttons are tactile and LEDs are decent. The green LED will indicate when it's at 18 watts of charging of power delivery or when it's at quick charging. Normal white colors indicate it's charging in normal speeds. If this is your first time on TechMatrix, we do a lot of videos on technology, unboxings, giveaways on my channel, so hit that subscribe button and also the bell icon to stay updated on my new videos and giveaways. On the bottom of each power bank it has the description and the certification. On the carbon fiber finish, however, the buttons are flushed on the sides. I wish it could have been a bit embossed for easy access. The LED lights are on the front of the power bank and the USB ports are all on the top. On the sides of each power bank, it has the description and certification. Coming to the power banks, these have an output of 18 watts of power at the max and can charge all your QC based quick charge devices at super fast speeds. Now the 18 watt compatible cables are also available from Urban, which are very good, and in-box cable is short and also capable of quick charge as well as power delivery like you see here. It's charging my Mavic Mini batteries, charger at 12 volts and 1.2 amps and can go up to 3 amps depending on the device. All the power banks comes with 12 level of protection with safe charge features to give you a super fast charging with safety. I always use power banks when I use my phones for gaming or watching videos and streaming and so on, and I always like to keep the power banks at the back so it kind of flushes with the phone, and the size of the power bank is also pretty good, so you can also carry around in your pockets as well. The only drawback with one of the power banks is the LED light kind of flushed inside the power bank's case, so it kind of doesn't give you the full outlook, and compared to the Xiaomi power bank, this kind of does almost everything better than the Xiaomi power bank and also cheaper than the Xiaomi power bank and also made in India. So I would suggest you to pick this up if you are looking for a power bank with 20,000 or 10,000 makes. So guys, I have many variants of the Urban power banks. Tell me in the comment sections which one you liked, and also hit that like button and subscribe for more such geeky videos. This is Bharat. Peace out.